Hi guys, it's me again and my sister Tashina and Mahogany. So today we have a seafood boil. I'm so excited because you know why? We got B-Love sauce to go with it. Oh gosh, look at that.
Mahogany,
it's
what
so
are you
good.
trying to get?
So good. Okay, we got some colossal shrimp. We got extra large or large? Extra large shrimp. Corn and potatoes and some mini sausages. I hope y'all can hear me because my microphone is, well, you should be able to hear me. And of course, I got the grand prize for the big burps. The chip wine.
Yeah.
Chip wine. Okay, well, we gonna get started.
Ooh.
That was loud.
Yeah.
That was real loud.
It was in the freezer.
Oh yeah, she got a little slush to hers.
Yeah.
What? So you guys,
It's so good. I know you can't see it probably.
yeah, if my voice kind of goes in and out, that's because I have come down with something and I do not know what it is, and I apologize. I just want to make this video for y'all.
I don't know how to get my eggs.
Oh my gosh.
You and them eggs. Oh.
You like shrimp, girl? She eating that shrimp. She get on my nerves. This is a big shrimp.
The spice is coming up.
It's dripping.
Yeah.
True.
Here go yours right here. I let it cool down.
If y'all hear that noise, that's my washing machine going in the background.
Here.
I got me some. Y'all like my antlers? Ain't they cute? I wish Mahogany would move so I can get some food. What you doing? You trying to dip it in that sauce?
Sauce.
Yeah, sauce. Let me do it so you won't burn your hand. I need a sausage. I need a baby sausage. We got these small sausages. They got cheese inside. It's so good. The shrimp is good.
Know what I'm trying to get.
To the potatoes? Oh, no. Her favorite. You got a shrimp sitting for her?
No, you take a
I'm about to take one out.
Here.
Make sure you dip it in some sauce now.
What?
From her.
Oh. You want some?
This sauce is a little spicy.
You want another one? You want sauce?
I can get me some food for real.
Mine is sweet.
Is it? These sausages is good. I'm gonna take the spoon out and just put it in there. Let me put some of this. Woo! It's gonna burn. Is that enough?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. It's about to be good. We did get de-shelled shrimp. This tastes good though.
What is that?
Woo wee.
It's good.
Y'all, we lollygagging. We ain't eating like that. I apologize. It's about, yeah, you is. It's about time for my king crab.
Oh Lord. God, that's not that I don't eat right.
She don't like crab. I just recently got back into them. Like, I had stopped eating.
Y'all, that's love. Whoa, it's hot though.
Yeah. I told you the potatoes stay hot longer than the other food. Look. Look at that. Woo. Woo.
It's good. But they hot. Not my favorite.
That mess burnt my finger.
And you put it on mine. Oh, I got potato food down the middle.
I'm like dehydrated from being sick.
I need some water. Because everything that I've been drinking lately, I still be thirsty.
Yeah. I think I need water. I don't drink water that much, y'all. I need to start.
You're doing me both.
Water just has no flavor.
Yeah.
What?
That's why you add a flavor pepper.
It still tastes like watered down Kool-Aid. Let me get my piece of corn. Wow.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
That was dangerously hot. Is you gonna take sauce with the sauce?
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that.
They taste so good by themselves.
Yeah.
B-Love sauce is good. Like, this will most definitely be my seafood sauce from now on.
I want to try different kinds though.
Well, yeah, I think I would do like a little garlic butter type thing. That'd be good.
By the way, I'm hungry because I need to eat all
Oh, yeah. That's mahogany. Rolling the computer chair around. See? That's why I said if I do ASMR, it's got to be after she go to bed. So I can be like, hi guys. Huh? Oh, you want to eat it now? Dip my corn.
The corn was so sweet and good by itself.
Ooh, ooh. It's still hot. Dang. I'm about to choke on the corn. Trying to eat it so fast.
Let me get it together.
My corn tastes good like grass. I don't know what happened to mine. Sound.
Oh, wait, burp.
Yeah. That corn tastes like grass for real.
The corn?
Once I got to the end, y'all know how you can smell something and taste it. That's how that corn was. Like, you can smell Clorox and you be like, I know Clorox tastes nasty just by smelling it. Oh, Lord, the gremlin is back. I think that the spices is getting to me. I'm sweating a little bit. You hot? Thinking I made my blood pressure go up. I might need to slow down a little bit. Oh, see, at least like a.
It's because it's spicy. What do you want, boo? That's not bye-bye.
I'm tapping out. I'm most definitely tapping out. I'm glad my voice did not sound like a young boy going through puberty. Ding-a-ling-ding. Woo! Last shrimp. Okay, you guys. One last burp. And we letting y'all go. As y'all see, she's sleepy. So yeah, it's time to log off. Give this video, well, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also post notifications. Put that bell on so you won't miss a video. Look at your paper towels wet.
Yeah.
We will see you guys in the future. Bye, guys.
No.